Hello everybody, this is Frank Estrada, and in this video I'm going to talk to you all about the importance of avoiding excuses and taking accountability and responsibility for your actions and why it is that you are where you are. Okay, so stick around. Okay guys, so this video is all about accountability, okay? But before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press on that bell icon so that y'all get notified whenever I make new videos for all of y'all, okay? So guys, accountability and responsibility. You know, basically, we are where we are in our lives because of us, okay? And there's a lot of power in saying that to yourself and truly believing that. Okay, a lot of us, we like to blame our circumstances or our positions in life on something else. Okay, well, I'm poor because of the president, or, I'm fat because, I can't afford food, or, whenever we make excuses for the different things that we have and don't have, we really take a lot of power away from ourselves and give it to somebody else. It makes us helpless, okay? And if we truly want to improve our circumstances and our lives, we need to take responsibility for what we do and what happens to us, okay? Blaming somebody else is not the answer. Blaming your boss, blaming your coworkers, blaming your spouses, blaming your kids, blaming your friends, blaming God. You need to say that I am where I am because of me, because of what I did, because of the choices that I made, because of the things that I did not do. Once you take on that mentality, you give yourself a lot of power to change your circumstances, to make things better, and to work towards your goals. Blaming it on something else is a cop-out. It's the chicken walk at the roller coaster rides, okay? You need to avoid doing that and take responsibility for your own actions, so that way, by changing your actions, you will change your results, okay? If you don't like what you have, stop doing what you've been doing, okay? If you want to have a better life, then you need to be doing better things. It sounds so obvious and so simplistic, but it's very true. And the fact of the matter is that it is easier to blame somebody else because it just washes all your responsibility. It's not easy to look yourself in the mirror and say, I am where I am because of me. Not because of Joe Schmo in the corner, not because of the president, not because of my family, not because of anybody else, but because of me. And once you learn how to do that, you can change the script. A lot of us, we might see ourselves as we've lived a lifetime of mistakes after mistakes, bad choices after bad choices, and we think we're not capable of changing our situations, okay? When the fact of the matter is, you are somebody who went through those things. You are somebody who made the wrong choices. Those are learning situations. Those are things that you could build upon. Those are things that you can correct, switch around. And those are the stepping stones to getting to the better life that you want. And the thing is, we are all capable of changing our situations if we look back and reflect and take responsibility on things that we did or didn't do to make us get to where we're at. As you look back and you realize, man, I shouldn't have done that, and I probably should have done this, well, then that's when we correct them. That's when we learn from our mistakes. We're human. We're going to be making mistakes. But by correcting those things, we get a different result. As opposed to wanting to blame your circumstances and everything on somebody else, what are you going to do? You cannot control that other person. You cannot make them be a certain way. You cannot make a situation be a certain way, but you can change what you do and the things that you decide to change about yourself. That you have 100% control on. So if you see yourself and you're not in the financial position that you want to be, then you need to learn how to increase your value to others. If you are in a position where you don't like your body, then you need to change your habits and start acting like somebody who is in shape. You first do the habits of the person you want to be, and then you become the person that you strive to be. Okay? It's not the other way around. You're not just going to come across a bunch of money and then keep that money. Okay? I'm sure you heard of a lot of people who have won the lottery and they end up going bankrupt. NFL players who end up making millions and then lose them a few years later. Why? Because they did not change their habits. Somebody who makes $50,000 a year and somebody who makes $500,000 a year could both end up being living paycheck to paycheck. Okay? Not just because you make more money are you going to have less money problems. If you don't change the way you are and the habits that you do, you're going to keep having the same results no matter by chance, what situation may come your way. So the point is, take responsibility for your actions. Know that you can change your situations, okay? But it's going to take hard work. It's going to take you admitting to yourself that this is on you. You can change your circumstances. You can make things better, but it all starts with responsibility and accountability. That way, you know you can look back and correct those actions that didn't help you, okay? So guys, that's all it is I have for today. Hope you learned something. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I'll see you all next time. Y'all take care. Bye.